Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty Sewing channel. Today we are going to make chrysanthemum flower hack. For that I am taking the 30 ribbon pieces, each piece having the width 1 cm and length 4 cm. Now take the one piece. With the help of the lighter, give a heat touch up as shown in the video. You observe clearly. For each petal, one side we are making a curved shape, whereas other side we are doing fold. Now to secure that fold, we are giving heat touch up. Now one petal is ready. Do the same procedure for other petals like this. Now all the petals are ready. Now take the needle along with thread. Now insert the needle into all the petals as shown here. After insertion of all the petals, gather all the petals at one place and give a secure knot and trim out the extra thread. In our channel we are done with many flowers. If you want, you can visit our videos. To get the proper flower shape, adjust the petal as shown in the video. As shown here, take the one round piece and stick at the bottom of the flower with the help of the glue, which will make the flower petals in proper position. As per your wish, you can decorate any ornamental stone in the middle of the flower. As per your wish, you can use this flower for brooch pins, tic tacs, alligator clips, hair bands, baby frocks, dresses, etc. As per your wish, you can use it. If you like our video, please like it. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.